Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Canon MegaTank printer to Wi-Fi, quick fix step by step clearly. Ensure your Canon MegaTank printer is powered on. Locate the Wi-Fi button on the printer's control panel. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button until the indicator light starts to flash. On the printer display, select the menu option. Navigate to the network settings using the arrow keys. Select wireless LAN settings from the menu. Choose access point connection and press OK. Your printer will now search for available networks. Wait for the list of Wi-Fi networks to appear on the display. Select your desired Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the control panel. Make sure to double-check that your password is correct. After inputting the password, confirm by pressing OK. The printer will attempt to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Once connected, the Wi-Fi indicator light will stop flashing. You should also see a confirmation message on the display. To finalize the connection, press the exit button. Your Canon MegaTank printer is now connected to Wi-Fi. You can begin printing wirelessly from your devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.